Today we're reviewing Go Agentic, an AI sales agent that automates your outbound pipeline. In this video, you'll learn what Go Agentic is, what it actually does, who's it for, real pricing, and where it sits versus alternatives. I tested a lot of AI SDRs and cold email tools for the years, so I'll keep this simple and sales focused. Go Agentic positions itself as a 24/7 automated SDR. It finds prospects, writes personalized emails, sends follow-ups, handles replies in one inbox, and books meetings straight to your calendar. Core features include automated prospect identification based on your ICP, AI-generated personalized messaging, a unified inbox to manage replies, automated multi-step follow-ups, smart meeting scheduling, and real-time analytics so you could see send volume, reply rates, and booked calls. They showcase results like strong inbox placement and more meetings booked compared to manual outreach. So who is this for? Founders and lean sales teams that want predictable outbound without hiring a big SDR crew. If you need one tool for messages, follow-ups, and book meetings, this is the product for you. And the pricing is clear. Starter is $50 per month for 500 prospects engaged monthly, 2,000 monthly emails sent, AI personalization, email support, and the ability to add your own mailboxes. Pro plan is $250 per month. Includes everything in the starter, plus 3,000 prospects engaged monthly, 12,000 emails monthly sent, and up to 15 managed mailboxes provided, 5 domains with 3 mailboxes each. Advanced AI personalization, priority email support, and CRM integrations. Enterprise is custom pricing and adds a dedicated account manager, enterprise security and compliance, and more. There's a 14-day free trial on starter and pro plans, so you can test it how it works first. But how does it compare to the alternatives? Doing it manually could be cheaper, but if your priority is cold emails that actually land in the primary inbox, warm up your mailboxes properly, rotate mailboxes, and personalize at scale without the bloat, Agent Frank is the safer bet. It's built by real sales pros and it does everything from A to Z, from infrastructure setup to meeting booking, while handling objections in between. So if you want to learn a lot more in depth about how Agent Frank works, I suggest you take a look at this video right here.